Who can resist a caramel slice? And today we're going to make one using our beautiful Scotch finger biscuit, but give it a bit of a twist. We're going to start by crushing our Scotch finger biscuits. Beautiful crushed biscuit there, really fine. Now I'm going to go in with my butter. Classic biscuit for a classic slice. A quick smooth over and get it into the fridge to chill. So I've got my freshly brewed coffee from my DeLonghi Eletta Explore. I'm going in with my butter, my condensed milk, and my golden syrup. So I've been stirring this for about 8 minutes, and now it's time to add the coffee. Quick stir to combine, pour over the base. So my slice is cooled. I've got some chocolate here that I've melted with a little bit of vegetable oil. Drizzle that over the top, gently smooth it over. To finish it off, crushed up coffee beans, ready to enjoy with an espresso.